Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade gold on HFM. To begin, open the MyHF page in your browser. This is the main HFM account area where you can access trading tools and account features. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct dashboard so you can follow the next steps smoothly. From there, click on Trade. This section is where HFM gives you access to its available trading interfaces. If you are new to the platform, think of this as the starting point for entering the market. It connects your account to the place where you can view instruments, place trades, and manage positions. Next, click on the Sample Trading platform. This will open the trading environment where you can search for instruments and place an order. Depending on your screen size, the layout may look slightly different, but the general structure remains the same. The goal here is simply to enter the trading platform so you can locate gold. Once you are inside the platform, use the search area and type XAU in the symbol field. XAU is the standard market symbol commonly used for gold, so searching this term helps you find the correct instrument quickly. Be sure to type it carefully so the relevant result appears in the list. When the gold symbol appears, click on the sample gold symbol. This selects gold as the instrument you want to trade and brings up the available trading controls for that market. At this stage, it is a good idea to quickly check that you have chosen the correct symbol before moving forward, especially if multiple results appear. Now click on Buy or Sell, depending on the direction you want to trade. Choose Buy if you expect the price of gold to go up, or Sell if you expect the price to go down. This step is important because it determines the type of position you are about to open. Take a second to review your choice before continuing. Finally, confirm the Buy or Sell action on the right side of the platform. This is the last step that sends your trade to the market. Before confirming, make sure the selected symbol and trade direction match what you intended. Once confirmed, your gold trade will be placed. And that's it. You've now seen the full process for trading gold on HFM, from opening the platform to confirming your order. Follow each part carefully, and you'll be able to complete the process with confidence.